Yo, what's going on everyone, it's your boy Rand, and today I'm back with another video, so another day, another mod. Today I've got a little bit of a short special video coming for you. But firstly, let me just show you a little mod that I hosted on my Instagram, and I put a little bit of a tutorial just because it was so easy and something that I really liked actually applying to my S3. So as you know, the RS3 keys, and I think the RS models will come on the key, it'll say like RS3 or RS5 or RS6 and so on. The S3 range or the S range, I don't think they do. I think the S5 does, but the S3 definitely doesn't. So I found this, and this is really cool. So on my S3 key now, it actually says S3, so it's just like a little aftermarket cover for the fob. It sticks out a little bit, as you can probably see, but to be fair, it's decent quality and it feels quite OEM. So yeah, I absolutely love that little mod, and if you want to know where I got that from, I'll put the link down in the description box below. I think it was, all in all, it was £5, and it took about 12 days to come from China, so make sure you anti-back it down just because it's coming from a overseas country. So today's mod, I'm just going to get straight into this video. I'm going to be applying an F1 style brake light to my Audi S3. So the F1 style brake light is, so because F1 cars and cars that are on track, they're going at such average regular high speeds, their brake lights tend to flash. I'll try to put a little clip up as to what that looks like, but that's what I'm going to get my brake to do. So once I press the brake, it'll flash a couple of times and then it'll stay static. I feel like my hat's becoming my best friend just because I haven't had a fresh trim, and I know there's so many people who probably like that. I normally get a fresh trim every week, guy. I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my YouTube channel. I apologise for sometimes being late with my videos, but I will 100% release 2 videos per week. I will try my hardest to get them out to you on Sunday, on Wednesday and Sunday. I was going to say Sunday and Wednesday, but yeah, same thing. Wednesday and Sunday I will try to get them to you on time. It's just really tough. I haven't tried my best, and I think if I release this video on Wednesday, the video on Sunday is going to be a training session with me. So like I said, I have started to get into training more, back into it anyway. And yeah, I have actually recorded a little bit of a training session and a full day's worth of eating. So yeah, I'll try to release it on Sunday, give you something new, give you something totally different, so something totally different apart from, you know, away from the cars. So yeah, we'll put this F1 style brake light on. My brother's going to help me. To be fair, he always does a lot of the work, as you see in a lot of my videos. Like I said, 2 videos per week promised. I will try for Wednesday and Sunday. They will most likely be on Wednesday and Sunday, but sometimes they will be like a day or 2 late. So yeah, apologies in advance for that. But yeah, if you want to follow me on social media, you can do at S3 Ranch. So that's the page dedicated for my car. And then my personal one is Ranju_Sahota, where I get up to loads of shit, whether it's cooking stuff or, you know, I even made a video on my Instagram the other day about, like, you know, shall I make cooking tutorials? Because listen, guys, I might not be technical with my cars, but you know what? I know how to fucking cook, guy. I know how to cook, and yeah, but yeah, let's get straight into this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon for future notifications. Comment below as to what you think of the braking light, whether you want to know how to do it, or where you'll know how to do it through this tutorial, hopefully, or where to get it from, which I'll put the link down in the description box. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. Peace. So the brake light in itself isn't going to change, it's just the way it's going to operate. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is show you before and after. So this is what, oh, here's the keys. I'm going to press the brake light and you'll see what it looks like. There you are, it's just a static brake light.
I'm going to check the no screws.
So clip this bit off, and then my brother clipped that side off.
2 of an RS, but
Whereabouts?
No, I'll put that back in afterwards.
Alright.
No screws. Behind here is there. Right.
There, that's a struggle clip.
Yeah, actually there is, the right behind there.
Ooh, you know, guys, you can see what's going on, I suppose. I hope you guys can see. One screw. This is the second.
Oh yeah, two screws.
Let me show that. Yeah, I don't know if you guys could hear that, but I felt like my car was just braking bit by bit. But yeah, it's fine. But they're much stronger than the. Do you remember the wing mirrors that we?
See that there?
Yeah.
Oh, here, use this one. The screw. Put that in there.
like that. I don't know what this tool's called from Amtech, but essentially it's to get these little bolts out here.
The Euro carpet.
Oh, Euro car part. 8 quid. But yeah, they're good handy plastic tools to get the bolts so
Bloody hell.
what, broken?
No, they're just stuck in there because they're just so...
Oh, that was that. So
Oh, that, yeah, they've all come right. Go press your brake light.
go press it.
Let go. Press it again. Press up.
Yeah.
Let go. Press it once more.
Ignore whatever I said. We're not changing the LED light. We're actually changing the module.
You're going to tap in to it. So this connects to one side of the cut wire, that connects to the other.
Right.
And this is already programmed to be strobe.
Oh, okay, cool.
Do you see? So
Yeah,
they already come pre-cut.
Okay, cool. Strong tape that. Isn't it?
No, I won't even take all that out actually. What I just went to do was test that was the case. Yeah. Cool. 1, 2, cut it back there and put it in. That should be alright, because I don't want to cut it too close to that connection.
Okay, cool.
Cut it back there, we'll tie it in here.
Alright, cool.
Do you see?
Yeah. I'll go take a driving shot as well, innit?
I haven't even taken a shot of mine. I need to do that actually.
I put the GoPro on one of the cars at the front. You can probably see it.
Do you mean do it? Do you want to do it?
Nah, you do it, do it.
Huh?
You do it.
Sure.
Yeah, for it.
Mind if I cut it wrong?
I fucking don't say that.
Right, so yeah.
How much is that?
Nah, it's only a wire. So you can just reconnect it back up anyway.
Okay. Cool.
So yeah guys, just I don't know if you can
Yeah, you can see that, they can see that, yeah.
We cut the wire.
Yeah.
One's obviously positive, one's negative. And I'm pretty sure the way this is done, usually the one with the line in a different colour is usually negative, but pretty sure the brown one in this case is negative and the one with the stripe is positive. I don't know, you're gonna have to test it. I tested it, nothing happens, it just won't work the first time. You get a brake failure, light bulb, brake bulb failure, then you just switch it over and Bob's your uncle.
Cool.
Yeah, I ain't got.
So in actual fact, it's actually not a massive task once you remove everything, which is quite daunting.
This is easy. It's just look, these actually already come pre-stripped.
Yeah, just
Do you see?
a bit higher. Yeah.
They already come pre-stripped. So literally all you're doing is cutting that side, twisting them together, putting them back together.
Okay, cool.
Nice easy strip.
Cool. Yeah, they can see that.
Yeah, just give it a nice little. Get them all together. Make sure it's a good connection.
Stick them together.
Just twist all the fibres together basically. That's that done.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm just gonna hold it.
I need to remember which was in and out. Pretty sure in is that way, out's that way. Yeah, so basically in is like putting the feed in and out's going towards your brake light.
Cool.
Do you see? I hope that makes sense.
I hope it does too. Any questions, they can just drop a comment and I'll try to answer them.
Right, this is the harder bit because you can't really get to it. Red DL, I'm actually doing pretty well today. I'm letting jinx this one, cut it.
Hope not. So you're just taking the plastic, the rubber coating off?
Insulation, yeah.
The insulation, yeah. That one seems to be a bit...
hard because you've got no space. So what I do is before I even tape this up guys, I do anything of the sort, I've got proper connections that I bought from Halford. So we're going to use these connections to actually do it properly, but obviously before I do any of that, I need to make sure that this works. So give it a little quick little twist. Obviously don't let the positive, don't let the positive negative touch. Because you probably blow a fuse. I doubt you'll get an electric shock, but shit, I actually did that the wrong way straight away. No, that definitely won't have worked. Now, yeah. So what we're doing is the connection that you've got connected to your brake light. That's going to the out bit.
Yeah.
Let's try this again.
So the red and the blue there.
Yeah, I think it's this. I'm pretty sure I had the same issue with mine. Where the brown went full.
You know, I hate when out. Like, why can't they just keep shit the same way?
Try to keep these apart as best you can. I'm joking.
Oh yeah, it does. It flashes. It's still flashing. No, it's stopped now. Yeah. That's
Not good at electronic guys. To be honest, then I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't recommend it. If you start cutting wires, then you can probably join them together. To be honest, you can just remember that you can rejoin these wires. So if you try to take it back out, so if Ran's like, "Nah, I don't want this," you don't want this. All you got to do is take that out.
yeah.
And Bob's your uncle. I hope I've got enough saying that. Just need 4 in total.
Why did you cut it and then like
What? I'll tell you, we're gonna hopefully get that Virgin broadband, 900 megabytes.
No way.
900 megabytes, man. Do you know what I mean? We got 60 right now.
Oh fucking hell.
So you bid to upload 4K.
Is this what these lot fucking forgot us about?
Yeah. Right, just before I see I'll close all this up. Let's just make sure this still works.
Right.
Right, there's the key. Tell me, Rex.
Right. Come on. Whoa. Yeah. Worked. Flap. What are those? She goes, you know those things you made me the other day? I was like, what, falafel? She was like, oh yeah, falafel. She goes, I call them falafel. I'm like, fucking idiot.
She's funny, yeah.
Alright, so you just put masking tape.
3M
sticky tape.
So what to do, guys, is so just so it doesn't clash with your stuff right now, just
stick it in.
You got a hole
behind,
perfect
essentially.
hole,
Yeah.
And also your wires are not like
exposed.
Yeah, really, I should have put that behind there. Fuck. Can I unclip this?
Oh, okay. I feel you.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Okay, so that's tucked in, so it's like no movement.
Yeah, just so you're trying to keep it as clean as you can.
Yeah, clean as possible.
Because these are there.
Yeah. So it looks neat. It looks that looks OEM.
That's what I mean. No one's gonna be able to tell.
That definitely looks OEM.
What we'll do is we'll get. Take this back.
Ah, interesting. Oh shit, it's raining.
Is it? Yeah, so I don't think it'll be alright.
Yeah, everything's covered anyway, to be fair.
Actually, that's not.
You know, Audi use some strong adhesive.
Yeah.
On their fucking things, man. Alright, cool.
That tape, what I'll do with those, I don't like that wire. That's there. Oh yeah, we actually like that one, I do. I just fold that in now, but anyway.
Cool.
So that's there. That's,
yeah.
To be honest, you've got enough slack in the wire, guys, so you're alright at the moment.
Cool. Oops, shit.
Actually saying that, I might have to pull this slightly this way because I need to put it back on to...
Sweet, nice.
Really? Actually, nah, you're alright. It's got enough slack still.
Yeah.
Not pulling out.
Stick that.
These are horrible, these. See, that one's stuck in there, but one's not going to make a difference.
Alright, let's cover these.
Oh wait, is it that one?
Don't know, you know. So yeah, definitely get yourself enough space to make sure everything is clipped in nicely. I can see, I saw that clip in, you know.
Huh?
Saw that clip in, you know. Oh yeah, those noises are much better. No, no, everything is
Yeah,
good. So you want to get those back in. The top bit. Other way around. Yeah.
I'll just slide this in here first.
That bit there. Okay.
Don't force anything. It'll just...
Yeah, that's it. So literally sliding it. Bobby, what the no, that's not gone in. Yeah, that's just there. That's in now. Well, so you should hear clicks all around, innit, really?
Yeah, just
even there. I don't, yeah, there. And you'll be able to see anyway if it's all flush. You should be able to...
in the middle as well, because a lot of people forget.
Yeah, that is plush, that.
Right. 2 screws. It's a Torx 25, this by the way.
What do people mean by that?
Torx bit.
Oh, right, okay. Sometimes I'm like, what the fuck? People talking about talkers and like car talk. Like, what?
And then, I hope to God right now that nothing's come loose, but I don't think
I would have either.
what the fuck's that?
Oh yeah. What is that?
Yeah, triangle.
Oh yeah, thought so. I tried to get that out. It took me ages to get back because I was trying to find. I can't remember what I was trying to find.
You just took
I'm booked in with Audi on Thursday.
Why?
To get my to get that gearbox thing looked at. They probably say it's nothing. The best I can say it's nothing.
Doesn't matter. You've got water.
Yeah, I mean I have got warranty.
That's it, you done.
Cool, that's it guys, we're done. So what I'll do is I'll take you out for a spin. I'll get some shots of the back of the car and show you what the brake light looks when I press it.
In the RS.
Cool. I hope you enjoyed that video. Let me know what you think of the F1 braking light, whether you think it looks good from the rolling shots that I just included. But yeah, let me know what you think. Drop a comment below as always. Make sure you share my videos, like, comment on them. Click that bell icon for future notifications. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. I know it's possible. Many more videos to come. The car, cooking, fashion, men's lifestyle, the whole fucking shebang. But yeah, let's get it guys. Peace and love as always. Love as always, and yeah, make sure to take care of yourself guys. Peace.